Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to get Shopify trial for $1 a month plan. Firstly, go to Shopify official website. Click on Start a free trial. Enter your email address, create a password, and name your store. Answer a few onboarding questions like, you can skip some if you're not sure yet. You'll now have full 3 days to explore all Shopify features 100% free. Use these 3 days to pick and customize your theme, add products to set up collections and set up domain, payments and shipping settings. Now, before the 3-day trial ends, Shopify will prompt you to choose a paid plan. Select a plan, usually basic, Shopify or advanced, and get the $1 per month for 3 months deal. Enter your PIN information to activate it. This gives you 3 more months of full store access for only $1 per month, ideal for launching and testing your business with minimal cost. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.